little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and simple, a t-shirt. It's going to look so cool. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. Let's begin by drawing the neck of the t-shirt. Then, let's draw the sleeves or arms. Next, we'll draw the bottom part of the t-shirt. Starting from the sleeves, let's draw 2 straight lines going down and then connect them with a line at the bottom. Nice! Now we're going to draw a big heart shape right in the middle of the t-shirt on the chest. Look at that! Our t-shirt looks awesome! But let's make it pop by going over the lines with bold strokes. This will make the drawing stand out and look extra cool. Awesome! Doesn't it look great? Our t-shirt is all done and ready to wear. Now it's time to color. Let's make our t-shirt colorful and bright. First, we'll start with navy blue color for the neck of the t-shirt. Next, let's use blue color. Now let's add some green color. It's going to look so bright and happy. And finally, let's use red color on the heart. Red makes everything look bold and exciting. Wow! Look at our colorful and super cool t-shirt. You did an amazing job today. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me. Don't forget to keep practicing and share your artwork with friends and family. And be sure to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. Bye-bye, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.